Balik makapuso sa GMA Regional TV Live. Karong buntaga atong ililahon kinusa ka teacher, educator o gihulagway niya ang kaugalingon nga lifelong learner mga kapuso. Nasayod ba mo nga sukad nagka-pandemya gatusa na gyud ka mga online courses kining mga libre nga gitanyag ang iyang gi-avail makapuso. Kapin na gyud sa libo kuno ang iyang natapos ni ini kay di gyud siya gusto nga muundang sa iyang pagtungha og pagkat-on. Atong ililahon siya karong buntaga. College Dean siya makapuso sa Masbate City, Dr. Jonald Siya. Good morning, Doc Jonald. Welcome sa GMA Regional TV Live. Kumusta karong buntaga, sir? Ug unsa may nakapalipay nimo rong buntaga?
Oh, good morning. Good morning, everyone. Yeah, the fact that I'm still alive is enough reason for me to grin like Garfield the cat. You know, for me, every gising is a blessing. It's another opportunity to make my work, my worship to God, and a chance to make a difference in someone's life. So it feels great to be alive and continue doing something that matters.
We're glad to have you this morning, Doc Jonald. Let's talk first about your educational background, sir. At what age did you start, sir, to continue magpadayon, sir, sa imong studies?
After finishing Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in English, I proceeded to Master of Arts in Education and Administration, followed by Master of Arts in Teaching English, and then Master in Public Administration, and then Doctor of Education.
Despite ana sir wa pag yung kamo undang sa imong pagkat-on further studies, sir, what do you do today right now, sir, para sa kasayuran sa atong mga viewers, sir?
I did not actually stop my learning because, you know, when you stop learning, you become obsolete. And I don't want to become irrelevant in the lives of my students. So I'd always grab the chance to expand my territories, expand my knowledge, enhance my skills, and then develop my attitudes.
Last year, Doc Jonald, nag-viral ka kay may attend kag ubay-ubay gyud nga mga webinars ug mga online courses during the pandemic, sir. Pila naman tanan imong nakuha nga mga certificates ani, sir? Unsay benepisyo nga imong nakabot ini?
Right. In all honesty, I had the faintest notion that I would go viral for the certificates I was able to obtain during, even now, during the pandemic. I gained followers. I also gained bashers because they won't believe that earning some certificates, or in my case, over 854 certificates last 2020, and right now I'm nearing 700, is possible. So to tell you, it was my antidote against passivity and trying to avoid paralysis by over-analysis.
Kadaghanan siguro ko nato, sir, nga mahuman na og usa ka degree, dapat muundang na kay murag husto na kuno ang education, sakto na ilang nakatunan, magamit na nila sa ilang career sa umaabot, pero dapat ang education o ang pagkat-on, sir, magpadayon gyud gihapon.
Yes, sir, I agree. We should continue developing ourselves. We should be abreast with the trends because that will make, it's just like saying parang when we talk about technology or perish. We will become outdated if we don't update ourselves. Kaya if we have the opportunity, in my case, kasi sa amin po, as part of the professional development plan of our school, we have free graduate studies. So pag may free, let's jump and grab opportunities.
Before we forget, Doc Jonald, congratulations di sa imong recognition. Umaabot imong award, sir, Global Leaders and Educators Awards 2021. Can you tell us more about this, sir?
This is an annual undertaking of Beyond Books publication that recognizes educators and leaders in all academic institutions who have displayed exemplary work performances and made significant contribution to the profession and community at large.
And to cap this off, Doc Jonald, mensahe nimo, sir, pwede may mangayo karong buntaga, message of hope sa atong mga kapuso karong buntaga.
Mindset is everything. Once you believe you can achieve something, you most likely will. If we want success, it should be this: success has to start in the mind. And not just in the mind, you have to also speak about success, manifest success. It has to start in the mind, and it should be done by grind.
Very well said, nindot ato paminahon, sir, da basta gusto ka mo achieve og success, magsugod sa hunahuna para imog yung paningkamutan aron imo ning makabot. With that, we'd like to thank you for joining us this morning. Paghatag og inspirasyon
Thank you.
sa mga viewers. Makapuso gikan sa Masbate City, Dr. Jonald Sia. Daghang salamat, sir.
Thank you so much. Mabuhay.
Thank you.